I feel like my face is all red. I felt a bit of tolerable pain from the operation just now.
Today I will show you how to use dermaroller for mesotherapy at home. I had multiple treatments over a year and a half. Introduce the whole process to everyone. Apply anesthetic to the face for 20 to 30 minutes. These are the tools to prepare, including disposable medical rubber gloves, syringes for dispensing, and functional solution potions. I have some acne marks on my face, and this lotion has the effect of fading the acne marks. Disposable sterile roller needle. All the above tools need to be disinfected with iodophor or alcohol. Apply anesthetic to the face for 20 to 30 minutes. During this time we can prepare the medicine. First, use a syringe to extract the functional solution from the vial. Then use a connector to connect the syringe and hyaluronic acid, and push it repeatedly about 20 times to completely mix the two solutions. My current skin condition is that I have a few acne marks on my face. Disinfect your entire face before you begin. Then wipe down the iodophor with saline. I can use a dermaroller to roll on these areas, choosing horizontal, vertical, or diagonal directions. When rolling for the second time, you can increase the intensity and feel some pain. The rolling part will be slightly red and swollen. These are normal phenomena and will recover in 2 to 3 days after treatment. By the time I rolled it out for the third time, my whole face was already red and swollen. The dermaroller will form thousands of microchannels on my skin in a short period of time, and the solution can penetrate into the skin very well along these tiny wounds. The skin repair and healing process accelerates the production of collagen and elastin in the skin. For areas with more acne marks, you can increase the intensity of rolling. You can apply more solution to these areas to allow the liquid to fully penetrate into the skin layers and better exert its whitening and brightening effect. There is no need to worry about serious damage to the skin caused by repeated rolling and pressing. The principle of mesotherapy is to activate the skin's repair system by puncturing the skin to solve various skin problems. I needed to apply a repair mask immediately after finishing it, which can calm and repair the skin very well. It should be noted that after treatment, you must use a medical repair mask, and you cannot use a cosmetic series moisturizing mask. Default text in addition to removing facial acne marks and whitening and brightening. Dermaroller can also treat facial acne. It should be noted that in order to avoid cross-infection, active acne needs to be avoided during the treatment process. Dermaroller can handle larger areas of skin very well, so in addition to being used on the face, it is more suitable for various parts of the body, such as fading stretch marks. Many men who love beauty have no less requirements for the style of their beards than women do for their hair. However, due to the insufficient number or sparse density of beards, it is difficult to realize this wish. The dermaroller can also be used for beard growth. First, determine the beard shape. In addition to promoting beard growth, dermaroller also has a broader function of promoting hair growth. The principle of treatment is exactly the same. Disinfect the scalp, then apply minoxidil or similar hair growth potion on the scalp, and gently roll it on the scalp to promote cell regeneration.